So I'm just reading this story. I thought let me share with you also a very old story. Perhaps we must have heard in our childhood, but so relevant even in today's time. The story is that on a certain day there was a bull and a bird were grazing in the field. The bull was grazing and this bird he was picking up the ticks from the bull, and that's a wonderful partnership they were having it. And in the process, this bird was looking at a huge tree at the end of the field and told this bull, "Alas, there was a time I could fly to the top of the tree, and now I'm very weak. I cannot even fly to the very first branch of the tree." The bull casually spoke to him and told him, Eat a little bit of, just eat a little bit of dung every day, and you'll gain the power, and you'll definitely reach to the top of this tree within a fortnight." This buddy was like, "Hey, come on, this all crazy, this all rubbish. What kind of thing is this?" But the bull said, "Well, try it and see. The whole humanity is into it." Very hesitantly, this bird started picking down the dung. And on the very first day, the bird got some strength and could fly to the first branch. And gradually, every day, the bird started picking up and gained the strength. And definitely within fortnight, this birdie reached to the top of the tree. When this bird reached the top of the tree, and the bird had just started enjoying the beautiful scenery around, the farmer in the village, rocking in his chair, loaded his gun and just shot down the bird. What's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that bullshit may get you on to the top, but it will never let you stay there for long. And now if we apply this to our life, it is something like you can bullshit yourself with all kinds of emotional states. You can somehow crack up and some well-being for yourself. But the problem is it's not going to stay long. There is a possibility that it will fall apart one day, and that's a torture. And often worse than the actual disaster. So my friends, I hope you got the moral of the story when it comes to you. You have to look within yourself. You have to look at the inner self and not around the bullshit around you which we have created in our life through some emotions, through some experiences.
Recently, we all have been through tough times, but good news is things are getting better. This pause has made us realize many things, especially to look within us. This is the right time. We should learn, unlearn, learn, relearn on our personal development skills. At OSLAST, we are glad to announce starting of new batches personally conducted by Sanjay Kaul, an international trainer, coach and speaker, who is a John Maxwell team member based in India. These sessions are based from John's teachings from the world-famous book, The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth, which has benefited millions of people across globe. So what are you waiting for? Do write to us for more details and registration process. Only limited seats are available.